Hey girl, hey, it's Kia. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be on this gorgeous hair, y'all. Like, I'm so in love. Oh, I'm so in love, okay? So first and foremost, I want to go ahead and give a special shout out to Alipearl hair. So they went ahead and sent over this 22-inch deep curly wig, and y'all, it's super long on me. I'm a tall girl, and pulling it literally hits my hip when I'm sitting down, and when I wet it, it also, you know, drops a little bit. The curls aren't so tight. Y'all, I'm so in love with this wig. It's super soft, like super soft, super lightweight. I believe it's 180 density, if not at least 200, because it's super thick. It's not thin at all, y'all. Like, can y'all get into it? Yes. So it's not thin at all. It's super thick. If you're looking for an HD lace, soft hair, thick wig, this is definitely the wig for you. I'm telling you. Don't say I never told y'all nothing. I definitely be putting y'all up on game when it comes down to these wigs. Y'all, I had no problem installing it. It was super simple. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see the installation part, and then I'll get back with y'all right after that. So let's get into it.
Yeah. So baby, yeah, you know me. Know me, oh, outside in an AMG, right outside TT, two-turn, baby, yeah, you know me. Still with the ones that are groove aside. All the people around me ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside TT, two-turn, baby, yeah, you know me. Shawty on my Insta, just to want a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting intenser. Think we need to have us an adventure. I could be a girl, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even feel like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside DT, two-turn, baby, yeah, you know me. Yeah, oh my. All the people around me ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I get so high off your love, I don't know how to feel. You're brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, so Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't pop. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Alright, y'all, so obviously y'all saw the entire install. It was super simple. I think I installed this wig within 20 minutes maybe. Like, if I would have went ahead and bleached the knots prior to me actually recording this video, this would have taken me no more than 20 minutes. And the lace just melted in my skin, y'all. Can y'all see? It just legit melted in my skin. Can't find a better wig, I'm telling y'all. Alipearl is definitely the way to go. I personally am very pleased with this wig, y'all. Like a little bit of bleaching, a tiny bit of plucking. Y'all, I did not pluck this wig at all. Rarely. Like, when I was plucking, I was like, I'm plucking too much. And I wasn't even taking a lot of hair out. Like, best wig thus far, my favorite wig of all, okay? So if you are looking for a curly unit, you know it's the summer, we don't want to have all this hot heavy hair on us. I feel like curly wigs, if you are a wig girl, is the way to go, because like I said, during the summer and the spring, you just want something lightweight. You can wet this hair, it'll get big. It's so beautiful, it's soft, it's not tangly. Like, I can run my hands through it effortlessly. Make sure y'all check the link down in the description box. Everything is listed for you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, dolls.